They're on a muscle relaxant and on a codeine derivative. They can't, they're helpless, they've fallen apart. They're relying completely on pain control medications, muscle relaxants, whatever they can get because they're so unhappy. And many of those patients come off those drugs very quickly as soon as their body is in motion. As soon as they're feeling like, I'm doing something for myself, with myself. So it's such a vicious cycle. The drugs, the depression, more drugs, more depression. The easiest thing for the doctor to do is say yes. Get out the script pad, write the script. That's the easiest thing. And trust me, I've been through cardiac surgery, mostly emergency room medicine. I've dealt with strep throats in kids, non-strep throats in kids. To say no to a narcotic drug or an antibiotic that is not necessary is very difficult. So the doctors also have to start to learn to say no. It's hard work because then the doctor has to figure out, well, then what should I do? And hopefully this type of facility will offload some of that burden for them. I think that if it's a system like this, where the patient gets a tremendous amount of personal care by about 8 different people, that's different. They may only see an MD or a physician extender for 5 to 10 minutes. And that's if they need injections and to make sure the blood pressure is running fine or whatever. If there's a new problem, maybe sometimes 20 minutes, then once a month, a 20-minute visit. The first evaluation, however, is very extensive and sometimes takes up to an hour. And the chiropractor may only spend a few minutes doing an adjustment and then put them in a decompression machine. But in between, other people are, they're seeing us all on the floor. And if they have a question, they can grab one of us, anybody, or ask one of the nurses to get the doctor, chiropractor, if they have another question. So it's much more open, and you don't feel as though you're waiting in a waiting room and then you go into a doctor's office and you're sitting in a little dark room waiting to hear their judgment.